Hi students, welcome to Jupiter's Online Academy. Okay. In our last class, we discussed up to 27th question, right? So we will start from 28. So in this question, our first option is triangle. So this triangle is divided into two equal parts. Equal parts. In option 2, we have circle. This circle is also divided into two equal parts. So equal parts. In option 4 also, this square is divided into two equal parts. Equal, but in case of option 3 we have 5 sides but it is not divided into equal parts, means not equal. So in option 1, option 2, option 4, these three options are divided into equal parts, but in option 3 it is not divided equally. So option 3 is our answer. Next question number 29. In option 1 we have two similar designs, means triangle and triangle, so same. In option 2 we have two squares, means same designs. Next, in option 4 we have two similar designs, means five sides we have. These are also same, but in option 3 we have different symbols. Here we have four sides, here we have five sides. So it is different. So in option 1, option 2, option 4 we are having same designs two, but in case of option 3 we have different designs. So option 3 is our answer. Next question number 30. See, in question number 30, first option, we have two similar designs inside and outside. See, inside and outside we have two similar designs. In option 3, we have two similar designs also. Means inside and outside we have two triangles, means similar. See, I will write here. In first option, it is similar. In third option also, it is similar. In fourth option also it is similar. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 sides. In this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is also similar. So similar I will write here. So in option 2 we have different designs inside and outside. See, inside we have triangle, outside we have square. So in option 1, option 3, option 4 we are having same designs inside and outside, but in case of option 2 we are having different symbols inside and outside. So option 2 is our answer. Next question number 31. See, yes, we have here, right, 31. In first option it is rotating in clockwise direction. See, this is clockwise direction, clockwise, and this is anti-clockwise direction, anti-clockwise. So in first option this arrow is rotating in clockwise direction, so it is clockwise. In second option also it is rotating in clockwise direction, means in this direction, so it is also clockwise. In third option it is rotating in clockwise direction, see, like this, so clockwise. But in case of option 4, this arrow is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. See, observe students, like this it is going, means anti-clockwise direction. So option 1, option 2, option 3. In these three options, this arrow is rotating in clockwise direction. But in case of option 4, this arrow is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. So 4 is our answer in this question. Next question number 32. See, in first option we have three shaded parts. So these two shaded parts are beside to each other, and third shaded part is opposite to these two shaded parts. So okay, next in option 3, observe carefully. These two shaded parts are beside to each other, and third shaded part is opposite to these two shaded parts. Okay. Next in option 4, these two shaded parts are beside to each other, and third shaded part is opposite to these two shaded parts. So in option 1, option 3 and option 4, two shaded parts are beside to each other, and the third shaded part is opposite to these two shaded parts. But in case of option 2, these three shaded parts are beside to each other. So this second option design is different from option 1, option 3, option 4. So option 2 is our answer. Next question number 33. In option 1, only one side is shaded in option 1. Okay. In option 2 also only one side is shaded. In option 4 only one side is shaded. But in option 3 it is shaded two sides. So in option 1, option 2, option 4. Only one sided is shaded in option 2, option 3 and sorry option 1, option 2 and option 4. But in case of option 3, two sides are shaded. So option 3 is our answer. Next question number 34. See, to do this answer we have to know clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. See, this is clockwise direction. CW means clockwise and anti-clockwise means ICW. So anti-clockwise direction. So in option 1 it is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. See, observe. See, like this it is rotating in this direction. Means it is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. In option 2 it is rotating in clockwise direction. See, like this it is rotating, means it is clockwise direction. Next option 3 it is also rotating in clockwise direction. How? See, like this it is rotating in this direction, means clockwise direction. In option 4 also it is rotating in clockwise direction. Observe, like this it is rotating, right? So it is also clockwise direction. So in option 2, option 3, option 4, these three designs are rotating in clockwise direction. But in case of option 1, it is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. So option 1 is our answer. Next, question number 35. In option 1, this triangle is shaded from the bottom. See, from this bottom it is shaded. Okay. In option number 2 also, this triangle is shaded from the bottom. In option number 3 also, this triangle is shaded from the bottom. But in case of option 4, this triangle is shaded from top. So, in option 1, option 2, option 3, these three triangles are shaded from the bottom. But in case of option 4, it is shaded from the top. Means 4 is our answer. In this 36 question, first option, see, we have only one circle at the corner, means one circle. In option 2 we have two circles at the corners. In option 3 two circles at the corner we have. In option 4 two circles at the corner we have. So in option 2, option 3, option 4 we are having two circles at the corners, but in the case of option 1 we are having only one circle at the corner. So 1 is our answer. Next question number 37, first option. Observe carefully. See, in first option we have two circles at the corner, two circles at the corner. In second option also we have two circles at the corner. In third option we have two circles, but one is at the corner and second one in the middle. But okay, and option 4 we have two circles at the corner. So in option 1, option 2, option 4, totally we are having two circles at the corners only. See, in first option, second option, fourth option. But in case of option 3, one circle is at the corner and other circle is at in the middle. So option 3 is our answer. Next question number 38. See, option 1, option 3, option 4. So these three designs are similar while comparing with second option. See, second option is different from these three options. So option 2 is our answer. Next question number 39. Yeah, here. So in first option, so in this figure, observe carefully, students. Consider it has head and it has hands, it has legs. So in all four options, this circle means head is similar. What about hands? Hands also similar. Next, coming to legs, means this figure. This one similar and third option similar, fourth option similar. But in case of option 2, it is different. So option 1, option 3, option 4, we are having same designs. But in case of option 2, we are having different designs. So option 2 is our answer. Next question number 40. See, in this first option, how many arrows we have count? 1, 2, 3. 3 arrows we have. So in second option, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 arrows we have. In third option, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 arrows we have. In fourth option, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 arrows we have. So if you observe carefully, in first option, third option, fourth option, we are having odd number of arrows. But in case of option 2, we are having even number of arrows. So option 2 is our answer. Next, question number 41. In this question, option 1 is divided into two parts. In option 2, this circle is divided into two parts. Option 4 is also divided into two parts. But in case of option 3, it is divided into four parts. So, option 1, option 2, option 4. These three figures are divided into two parts. But in case of option 3, it is divided into four parts. So, option 3 is our answer. Next, question number 42. In option 1, we have two shaded dots inside, means inside. In option 2 also, two shaded dots inside. In option 3, we have one inside and one outside. So, one inside and one outside. Next, in option 4, we have two shaded dots inside. So, if you observe, in option 1, option 2, option 4, we are having two shaded dots inside, but in case of option 4, we are having one inside, one outside. So, option 3 is our answer. Next, question number 43, first option. See, in this first option, one circle inside, one circle outside, means one shaded dot inside, one shaded dot outside. In option 2, only one shaded dot we have. In option 3, two shaded dots, that is one inside, one outside. In option 4, one inside, one outside. So, in option 1, option 3, option 4, we are having one shaded dot inside, one should be outside. So, but in case of option 2, we have only one shaded dot, that is inside. So, option 2 is our answer. Next, question number 44. See, in this 44 question, first option, third option, fourth option, we are having similar figures, that is square, and divided into four equal parts. See, 4 and 4, and one part is shaded in these three figures. So, option 1, option 3, option 4 are similar, but in case of option 4, it is divided into four equal parts, but it is different from these three options. So, option 2 is our answer. Next, question number 45. First option, see, in this we have two shaded parts, that is diagonally opposite to each other. In second option also, two shaded parts, that is diagonally opposite to each other. And third option, two shaded parts, that is opposite to each other. But in case of option 4, two shaded parts, that is beside to each other. So, in option 1, option 2, option 3. Three figures we have two different, okay. Next, question number 45. In first option, we have two shaded parts, that is diagonally opposite to each other. In second option also, two shaded parts, that is diagonally opposite to each other. In third option, two shaded parts opposite to each other. But in case of option 4, we have two shaded parts that two beside to each other. So, in option 1, option 2, option 3, two shaded parts opposite to each other we have. But in case of option 4, we have beside to each other. So, option 4 is our answer. Next, question number 46. See, in option 1, option 2, option 4, we have three similar designs. See, this design is similar, and this one similar, and this one also similar. But in case of option 3, this design is different from these three designs. So, option 3 is our answer. Next, question number 47. See, in first option, we have two similar designs, that is triangular. One is bigger one, another is smaller one. So, smaller one is right side to the bigger one. So, small is right side. Okay. In second option, we have two similar symbols. One is bigger one and smaller one. So, in this, smaller one is left side to bigger one. Next, in option 3, we have two similar symbols, that is circle. In this, it is smaller one and it is bigger one. So, in this option, smaller one is right side to bigger one, means small is right side. Next, in option 4, two similar designs. This is smaller one and this one bigger. So in this option also, smaller one is right side. So if you observe carefully, in option 1, option 3, option 4, we have similar in this question. In all options, smaller one, here smaller one is right side to the bigger one. But in case of option 2, smaller one is left side to the bigger one. So option 2 is our answer. Next, question number 48 in first option. This design is made by lines. In option 2 also, this design is made by lines. In option 3, this design is made by lines. But in option 4, this design is made by lines and dots. So, in option 1, option 2, option 3. These three designs are made by lines. In case of option 4, it is not completely made by lines. So, option 4 is our answer. Next, question number 49. In first option, see this shaded dot is right side to the shaded part. Okay. Next, in option 2, this shaded dot means small dot is right side to the shaded part. Okay. Next, in option 3, this dot is right side to the shaded part, or else we can consider this dot is coming after the shaded part. In option 4, this dot is before the shaded part. So if you observe carefully, students, in first option, second option, third option, observe carefully, this dot is after the shaded part. See, first the shaded part, then dot, shaded part, then dot, shaded part, then dot. But in case of option 4, first we have dot, then shaded part. So option 4 is our answer. Next, question number 50. In first option, see, here we have one non-shaded dot and shaded dot. In option 3, one shaded dot and one non-shaded dot. In option 4, one shaded dot, one non-shaded dot. But in case of option 2, we have two non-shaded dots. So, in option 1, option 3, option 4, we have one shaded part, one non-shaded part. So, but in case of option 2, we have two non-shaded parts, means non-shaded dots. So, option 2 is our answer. Okay, we stop this class. Next will be continue in the next class. Thank you.